बैक टू इंग्लिश वाली चैनल। यदि आपको भी मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा हो तो प्लीज लाइक सब्सक्राइब इंग्लिश वाली चैनल। एंड टुडे आई एम गोना स्पीक दैट book is your best friend and book is your key thanking. Without book you are null and void. Right now you are a student, you are not a student, doesn't matter. You should read book. After that you will get many things, that what is maturity, what is right, what is wrong, what is way for speaking, what is way of speaking, and what is criteria. And I am speaking frequently that when you wanna become something in your life, as soon as you will do hard work. And I wanna become something. And I wish I will become a big gun. I wish I will become a big gun. I'm speaking frequently that. But right now whatever I have done, it is a depend over my karma, and it is my prarabdha. And whatever I will get, it is my we can speak that it is my luck. It will be my luck, not it is my luck. And right now I am reading, so I am getting something that yes, it is right, it is wrong. And when you read, so after that you will get that no one is important rather than book, because book is your best weapon. And when you will read book, after that you will get many things. Yes, right now we can speak that my mother is cooking food. That's why all that is spicy masala air is coming near me. So that due to I am speaking this type. Yeah, I am doing curve because whatever I am speaking for the sake of you guys. So I will speak at anyhow at any rate. So I when I speak that book is your best friend, and without book you are nothing. And whatever you are reading, read, because I have heard one thing, that knowledge is your best weapon. And whatever you have read, one day you will get something, because knowledge is not to waste. And knowledge is not waste, and knowledge is not very bad thing. That's why I am speaking frequently. And whatever I am speaking, for the first time I am speaking about this topic in view of you. So you'll have to know one thing, that without experience, without feel, I cannot speak in front of you guys. So try to understand and keep on learning, keep on watching whatever you want. But keep on reading, because without reading you are null and void. And as well as you will not become a big one. That's why I'm speaking frequently. And as far as I am concerned, that whatever you want, but without knowledge or without English, here I can speak English, that without English you cannot do very much thing. Because you can look something man, this very big man, Mukesh Ambani, Tata Birla, and any actress, any actor, any hero, any heroine, and any popular politician. So you will get same thing. You will get same thing, that they knows very well that how to speak English, and how to understand English. Because without figure down, without toning down, it is not possible that they will do whatever they want. That's why I'm speaking that what is your criteria, what is your need. First you will have to know that right now I'm speaking about English, that English, what is your need, that why do you want to read, for the sake of job, for the sake of getting job, for the sake of taking degree, for the sake of taking knowledge, for the sake of getting job government sector. Means that English, you wanna teach, as an English teacher. So first you'll have to know that what is your need, and why do you want to read English. So after that you will get that it is my reason, and that's why I wanna do this type. And I will do, because it is my need. Without English it is not possible that I could become very very popular, very popular. I could become very deeply man in this field, in that field, because it is not possible. And we can see that I can speak until you don't learn English, unless you cannot you until you will not read. Sorry, you will not read unless you cannot become something, because English is most important in the era. And I am speaking frequently. Please focus yourself, and keep on thinking about yourself, and don't think about any self, and don't think about any word, because someone will speak, only you should listen. After that doesn't matter, you should speak, doesn't matter. Dog is only barking, only you should